Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I don't know if you're going to be as excited as I am or if I get excited about the little things, but this is super fun, so I had to show you in a video. So this is the Tufted Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder. So this one is super fun because I think it's great for that subtle background. It kind of looks like a couch that has, you know, all those little tufted little edges. Kind of has like an elegant look in my opinion, because you could always add like pearls in each of these little crisscross areas and stuff, so it would be super cool. You can see right there, you can see all the little diagonals, but then it does actually have a dot at the center of every crisscross there. Sorry about the noise, but they are doing the yard outside, so you might hear a lawnmower every once in a while. So here it is on a piece of cardstock. So you can see how it's got each of those little dots in the center, and then it's got that fun little crisscross pattern. So looks like a pillow or something fun like that. But it's very subtle, but very awesome to have as a nice little textured background on your project. So I just wanted to show you a fun little project. This uses the Varied Vases stamp set as well as the coordinating punch. But here is the cool part. Check out this line down here. See that fabulous line down there? That is super handy for lining up your cardstock, because this is one of those images that it's not super important that you have it lined up perfectly on your cardstock, but it is a little bit more than just like a random background. So you do kind of want it to be lined up and not like super crooked or crazy looking. So what you'll do is you'll simply slide your cardstock in and then line it up with those lines down there, or that one line down there, and then pinch on this side. So pinch on this side and slide your fingers out. Now you know that it is nice and lined up straight so that your pattern is perfectly straight on your cardstock. How cool is that? Like, that is just mind-blowingly awesome in my opinion. So I hope you find it as cool as I did. If you did, let me know in the comments below, and definitely give this video a thumbs up because I am excited about it. So try out the Tufted Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder because it's super fun for your project and it's easy to use. So I'll bring back in that little sample. Don't forget to check out my blog, laurasStampPad.com, so that you can see all of the details on this fabulous card. I'll also leave a link down below so that you can purchase this embossing folder because it is super fabulous. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new by clicking down here. And don't forget to check out some of my other awesome videos over here. You can also subscribe to my newsletter by clicking up here. And I send out lots of fun little information about projects I'm working on, or specials and promotions and other fun things. So I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.